Next, let's take a look at the ruler tool. We're going to need a particular type of image to demonstrate this tool effectively. I'm going to search for a crooked picture frame. Okay, copy image. Now we're going to use the crop tool, which we've already learned a little bit about, just to isolate the frame itself and forget about the rest. About that. Okay, so this is all that's left of our image. Now, the ruler tool, which is part of this drop down for eyedropper, color sampler, and note, the hotkey for which is also I if it's the last selected tool in that drop down. It's primarily an analytical tool, so we click and drag between 2 points and then release, and that creates a line. And then in the info feed out here, in that pane, we're provided with an angle between the 2 points, 23.9 in this case, line distance, 76.56. Now you might be wondering what unit that's in. Well, the unit is relative and can be configured according to preferences. So if we click to the edit preferences window and we go to unit and rulers, you'll see that rulers are currently set to be in pixels. Now for you the default might be centimeters or something like that. So depending on which measurement best suits your needs, you can just set it here. But I'm going to stick with pixels because that's what I'm thinking in at the moment. So I'm happy with that. So an angle of 23.9 and a length of 76.56 pixels. I can see that the width in pixels is 70, so horizontally 70 pixels, vertically 30 pixels. Okay, so as we said, primarily an analytical tool. It also gives us the origin X and Y point there, 43 and 15. It also has another purpose. So I've marked out the line here of my tool, or of my frame. And now I want to make that frame straight. So I found the line here of an aspect of this image that should be straight. And having found that, I can use the straighten layer tool and it will automatically straighten out that image for me. So again, I'll undo it. To use that feature, come to your rule tool, find a line that you know should be a horizontal line and mark it, then click straighten layer. And it's going to adjust the entire layer accordingly, removing that rotational distortion. So that's the ruler tool.